Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have not yet like, share, and subscribe, please do it so that it will be helpful for me to do more and more videos like this. If you feel my videos are a bit slow, you can go for a play speed and you can choose for a 2 and 1.5 so that it will be faster also. Okay, you can learn a lot of topics from my videos. Okay, if you go to this my channel, if you go to the channel playlist, you'll be getting 4 different types of playlists, trading topics, the features. Also hedging options, features and options, hedging strategies also I have discussed, and also a lot of strategies with the sensible paper trading also I have discussed. You can check it out, and also if you wanted to invest in the US stock market, that is also available here. You can check out all these playlists. Let's jump into the topic. So today I'd like to come up with one more useful topic and useful tool as well. That is relative rotation graphs. So this relative rotation graph charts are very useful in order to take some decision in investing stock or investing any uh, the equity traded funds or the Nifty Bs, bank Bs, anywhere if you wanted to invest. Uh, this is very useful and quickly you can take some decision based on this one. Of course, fundamentals you need to study and invest. Uh, the first and foremost thing, this is not buy or sell suggestion, or we are not giving any tips. This is just for purely educational purpose only. Whatever I learned, I would like to mention it here. This is very useful tool. Okay, so do your own analysis before investing in anything. Okay, so let's move on. Relative rotation graphs. Okay, so you might be heard that in any stock market, sector rotation and the stock rotations, right? So based on this one, you can take some decision. As I told earlier, so this is not a free tool at all. If you want to go for a full-fledged tool, then Optima, there is one website is there. Then you can think Optima RRG, I can say Optima, yeah. So here, if you come here, there is they have given some information. You can see it here. I'll show you 1 second. Maybe I'll go for image. Yeah, this is very good image. I can show it. Oh, yes. Yeah. So this image you can see it here. This is they have given n number of stocks and sectors as well. You can compare it by using this Optima tool. This is very useful tool, but this is not free tool. Okay, this is not open source, but I'll show you one more open indicator, but it is a limited indicator. We can't have much more stocks, but you can do some basic analysis if you want to study. I will show it to you. Okay, so basically as per this chart, what it means is that you can see there are 4 sections here. Okay, and out of this chart we have a improving section, leading section, weakening section and a lagging section. Okay, so by seeing this graph, don't wonder that there are a lot of lines are there. What is this? And initially it will be confusing, but I'll be simplify it to you for you. Okay, so just 4 section, right? Was what I told. So you can see here. So from negative to positive, so this will be rotating here. Okay, always. This is believe me guys, this is very useful tool, uh, because it will change your view as well before investing in anything. Okay, so for the basic study, I'd like to mention that the point on the leading section, whatever you are seeing here, that means the stock or particular sector is leading uh, leading with the benchmark. Okay, I'll be telling you benchmark means this is kind of a Nifty only. Okay, so in the Nifty this stock is leading right now. That means I'm not saying this is the only stock, but see, from improving area to leading area it moved means this stock gained a momentum. So as soon as it is moving from improving to uh, leading section, then you should be taking some decision here itself. Okay, and also you can see from improving section one more stock, you can say this stock is suddenly lagging, or it is underperformed. So you can take some decision here. Okay, because it is going down, right? So also this stock, while performing well, this is also going down. And if it is after this, if it is unless until in this area, that will be fine. But if it is entering into this area, this is the stock is weakening, you can say. Okay, for an example, you can see here this stock performing well in the leading section here. Slowly it is coming to weakening section. That means you should be thinking of exiting this stock. Okay, so this is what the basic idea for analysis. And also you can see from weakening section, this blue line, it is entered to the lagging section. Okay, from lagging section again it is entered to the improving section. That means this stock is slowly gradually improving. Okay, so from here to here, if it is entering, then you should be taking some decision. Again, see, there are some bad news about the company that can underperform stock uh, in a volatile way. Anything can happen in market, but you should be very careful in stock market before investing. Okay, so you can see this is the classic example that it is entered into the leading zone, but again it is came back to the lagging zone. That means yeah, as soon as it is nearing towards these coordinates, you should be taking some decision. Okay, so this is what the basic funda about this relative rotation graphs. And this is the tool you can use it. And for the trading view, I will be showing you this is the indicator. This is open source, and it is free also. I will be showing you how exactly we should utilize this one. Okay, I'll be selecting this one, indicator. Okay, just drag it and maximize it. Okay, so currently you can see this is if you go here, click on the settings, it is given the analysis based on the SPX. This is means this is a US indices. Okay, SPS S&P 500 indices as well. This is the one they have considered. So instead of this one, I'll be considering Bank Nifty, or Nifty also you can consider it. Okay, I'll go for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty. Okay, this is the manual work, guys. Anyhow, and we have a limited number of symbol. That means you can any sector or any stock you can add it here, but this is very limited because this is just an indicator, not a tool actually. So if you want full-fledged version, this is, as I mentioned, Optima will be very useful. Okay, so now Bank Nifty has selected, right? So I will be selecting S Bank, and HDFC Bank, and ICICI Bank, and Axis Bank I will be selecting. Axis Bank, and also maybe one NBFC, Bajaj Finance I'll select. Right. Yeah, now you can see on the right hand side, you can take based on the color, you can take the decision here. Okay, now coming to HDFC. why I'm interested, because it is totally improving this HDFC. It is from lagging zone or area, I can say. From this zone, it is entering into the entered already into the improving zone. Okay, this point represents it is already entered. Okay, so this is what the stock I'm totally interested. And if you want S Bank, what is the study of S Bank? Okay, maybe it is a leading, currently leading, it is in the leading section, right? Leading zone. So S Bank is in the leading zone. Okay, and also you should be uh, considering it in which zone, from which zone to which zone it is moving. You should be considering and taking some decision. Okay, so yeah, that's what I wanted to mention. So this, I think, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubt, let me know. Maybe uh, I'll clarify in the comments. Okay, and you can see Bajaj Finance, it is in the weakening section. Okay, and also it is moving in a leading section zone. Okay, that direction also you should be considering it, from where to where it is moving. And also let's compare another Nifty tool. I think Nifty, what is Nifty 50? I will select. Once again, I would like to show you this setting: TCS, Titan, Maruti, BL, Cipla I have selected here, and you can see it here. And improving, leading, weakening and lagging section. Okay, currently this Titan is improving, right? So you should be thinking this is not a buy and sell again. As per the phenomena or the analysis, this is in a good zone. Okay, and how about BL? So BL was weakening, but it is also in good zone right now. But this, as per this point, it is slightly weakening. Okay, and how about what is this, Cipla? Okay, Cipla is also in a good zone. And TCS, it's slowly improving. Yeah, so this is what the analysis you need to do, guys. Okay, anyhow, it is limited tool. As I mentioned, you can go for Optima for the full-fledged version. Okay, and yeah, this is the basic idea. You can uh, play with this one. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.